I'm Father Robert Ballas, the digital Jesuit host of This Week in Enterprise Tech on the TWiT TV network. I'm here at Enterprise Connect 2015 in Orlando, Florida for No Jitter. And I've got the pleasure of sitting next to Anthony Bartolo from TATA Communications. Anthony, thank you very much for talking to us.
My pleasure, Robert.
The question has to start with, what are you doing here? I hear that you've got some exciting new announcements. What are you bringing to the show?
Well, firstly, our customers and our partners bring us to the show. I mean, this is where the current and future best practices are sort of discussed. So we're really shaping the unified communications landscape. So it's tough not to be here. So, well, with regards to some of the things that we're launching, we've launched the first unified communications or IP telephony in the cloud that is on a worldwide tier 1 network infrastructure. So that's a link-based solution that's basically in the cloud, and we're pretty proud of that. We've also launched a hosted contact center that's also in the cloud. Once again, a global hosted contact center on top of a tier 1 infrastructure.
So basically any enterprise could use the same infrastructure no matter where they are in the world.
Doesn't matter where they are, they can do it at the drop of a hat. They can have an agent in the context of a contact center in London one day and Philippines the next day, or anywhere else around the world. We have the privilege of being able to be less than 200 milliseconds away from anywhere around the world. So as a result, we can provide UC services at the speed of light. So we're pretty proud of that.
This is an exciting announcement, but this is a crowded field, and there does tend to be a lot of noise.
Yeah.
What are the important trends that you've picked up?
Well, we've picked up a few trends. The first is you can't thrust upon your customers a wholesale change to their UC strategy. They have an existing UC strategy. So what we enable, or what we are trying to do, is enable that UC strategy to come to fruition. We provide modular services and allow those customers to consume those services in a modular manner so they can execute their strategy, not the strategy we believe they should have at the end of the day.
So rather than yank and replace, yours is enable worldwide.
Absolutely. We want to be known as an enabler of UC services and capabilities. So we would like to be known as those to allow you to have your strategy be implemented and actually become a reality.
Availability worldwide with 200 millisecond access times. Where do you see this going? I mean, obviously you've got some sort of end game that you have in the back of your mind here. Where would you like to see TATA Communications in, say, 3 years?
Sure, we'd like to be the global platform of choice. I mean, at the end of the day, we are a global platform. We have 710,000 kilometers of fiber and terrestrial cable that traverses the world. We're the service provider to the service providers. So think about your local carrier. The minute their traffic leaves their particular geographic jurisdiction, chances are it's running on top of a TATA infrastructure. We carry 24% of the world's internet. 1 in 10 phone calls run on us. We do 55 billion minutes a year. These are statistics that give us a purview on UC and where it's going. And we have a worldwide practice that can support any global UC strategy.
It would almost seem as if they're using your network whether or not they know it, so they might as well sign up with you.
That's exactly the case. You know, we make those strategies happen.
Anthony, thank you very much for talking to us. Now, of course, if they want to find out more about TATA Communications, they should come to the show. They should speak to you or to a representative. They should find someone who could demo the technology and services. And what booth are you here at Enterprise Connect?
We're in booth 1621. Come over, take a look at the products, and if you feel like you want to tailor-make your own products, we've got a set of rich APIs that you can just leverage off our network, and you can roll your own, as it were. So.
And for those who can't make it out to Orlando, where should they go to find more information?
TATAcommunications.com, of course.
Again, thank you very much for talking to us, and you stay tabbed because we've got more from Enterprise Connect 2015.